Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making apple cream cheese hand pies. These pies, guys, they taste like an apple pie in flaky pastry dough. They are so easy to make. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. This recipe requires a handful of ingredients, guys. So let's get right into the ingredients. You will need puff pastry, water, 1 egg, cream cheese. I'm using apple pie filling, guys, and cinnamon sugar. So let's get started. First things first, remove puff pastry dough from the package. Then lightly flour the work surface. Carefully place your dough onto the flour. Then roll out your dough into a square. Just like so, guys. Divide the dough into 16 equal pieces. Spoon cream cheese and apples onto the center of each square. Then moisten the edges of dough with cold water to seal the edges. Cover with another piece of puff pastry and seal the edges. Repeat the same process with the remaining ingredients. Moisten the top and take 2 sides and fold in the center. Just like so, guys. It's amazing, guys, how you can make bakery quality apple cream cheese hand pies with just a couple of store-bought puff pastry and apple pie filling. This is one of the easiest apple desserts. They are so easy to make, flavorful, tasty, delicious, you name it, guys. You can find all those yumminess in this apple pie. Mix 1 teaspoon of water with 1 egg beat well, then egg wash the pies. Cut 2 slits on the pastry dough to let the steam to escape. Just like so, guys. Finish it off by sprinkling cinnamon sugar on top. Then we're gonna bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Our hand pies are out of the oven. They are an easy grab and go dessert, guys. They are great for summer picnics or some portion control. If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time Mama Bui uploads her yummy recipes. Please, guys, share my videos with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my